Hello and welcome to Affinity. We're going to look at split toning here with for doing teal and orange colouring. Very simple to do. You simply go to the adjustments here, and in there we've got split toning. On split toning here we've got highlights and shadows, so we're doing teal and orange in those two. Normally you put teal in the shadows, because blue shadows generally look okay, whereas orange shadows a bit more confusing. So, but here we've got the angle to set, but we can figure out what the angle is over here. If you look at the colour wheel, 0 is red and it goes clockwise from here, so you've got 90 degrees down to chartreuse, so a third of that there orange is going to be 30 degrees. And teal, you've got 180 degrees around there, plus another 30 degrees, which is 210 degrees. So we can just put them in here. Get the split toning here. This one's 30 degrees. And this one's 210. And we can then adjust the saturation as to how much they are, so we can turn it up as much as we like. Maybe that's fairly high. Much for this one here. Shadow saturation. The effect there. Maybe something more middling. And then the balance you can tilt it even further one way or further the other way. So maybe a little bit towards that. So there you go. That's a very simple way of doing that. Let's try that with another image. We've got less orange here, which would be in the skins, maybe some in the rocks here, and you've got the sea and sky there. So again, split toning, highlights is 30 degrees, and see, we want to go with that. It's a little bit light there, and shadows was 210, and bring that up, and you can see the teal coming into the shadows there of the rock. And when we look at this, a way to look at this is look for oranges, a bit of skin, and look at the difference is before and after. So you can watch this. Sometimes it's good just to zoom right in and look at the color change and decide when, oh, that's too much. Okay, and maybe a bit of balance. Do we want more in that? Let's go out again. So again, before and after. There we go. And back to the original one. Before and after. You can see it affects different pictures differently. So sometimes you've got to try it differently, and sometimes other methods. So I'm going to show other methods in other videos. So thank you very much for watching.